niece and nephew. I'm Uncle Roger. Today I'm going to cook rice for you. Egg fried rice. First, we need to use the medium grain rice. And I'm not using colander. How to measure rice? With finger. Like this. Correct? Hiya, this is induction cooker, no fire. Uncle Roger hates induction cooker. We don't have rice cooker, so we steam rice like this. And we use bacon. Chop the bacon like this. We use spring onion and cutting spring onion like this. Fine and fast. And we don't use veggie. If you need veggie, you can use the salad over there. Uncle Roger hates vegan. Crack the egg. We need 2 eggs. Oops. We don't use whisk, we use fork. Where the wok? Where the wok? Aya, no wok. Okay, use this. We use this pan. Put some oil. Put the spring onion in. Put bacon in. Rice in. With the egg on. Stir. Stir it hard. Hard and fast. Sorry, children. And now we use some soy sauce. And the MSG. No, sorry, it's salt. And stir again. We put all the pineapple in. Bell sauce. Wow! That's the finished product. Uncle Roger's egg fried rice with sambal. This is no sambal.
Uncle Roger, your egg fried rice is so good.
Thank you, niece. Oops. And we don't use waste. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my thank you for watching my video. Please like my video. Smash the like the button. Wash the rice without colander. And I'm gonna measure the water with my finger. Zoom in. Thank you for watching my video. Smash the like button below. Like your parents smashing your butt. Bye bye. See you next time.